Before the town can clear its eyes, the little bells begin. A soft sound through the morning grass as day comes drifting in.
By the field behind the crooked wall, past the gate of faded blue, two old hands lift the wooden latch and let the meadow through.
Soft white sheep in silver mist, moving slow and low,
and all the roofs in the unusual town wake to the bells below.
Where the sheep bells go, we follow down the hill and through the town, past the chimneys, past the windows, where the morning light comes down. In this very unusual town, even silence feels like song, and the world turns soft and kindly as the little bells roll home.
By the yard behind the baker's shop, gray-haired hands begin washing wool in tubs of light, then carding fleece to spin.
Hands that mend and hands that weave, making warmth by day,
turning wool to simple comfort in their own familiar way.
Where the sheep bells go, we follow past the cobbles, soft and slow, past the market, past the gardens, where the evening lamp fires glow. In this very unusual town, every small thing has its place, and the years lie down so gently In the lamplight of this place. At dusk the hills turn amber gold, and the flock comes drifting home. One orange lantern sways in air, warm against the stone. One low bell answers through the dark, and every heart makes room for she.